One of the great tools that keep this ball rolling is teamwork and a great software called MyVcom. Anything that you can possibly need for your employee's profile or anything that you possibly need for a customer can be stored into the MyVcom system.
The thing I like the most about MyVcom is that I am available to find whatever candidate it is that I'm looking for like that.
If I need to find a certain candidate that I spoke to yesterday or a week ago or a month ago, all of that information is saved there for me.
Like record of our clients, information from our employees, just keeps all information in one place.
The migration from using one system to the MyVcom system was seamless. We didn't have to buy any servers, we didn't have to have any IT people coming into our office installing new systems or anything like that. It was all done through the cloud. We didn't have to do anything. Everything was done for us. One of the great features about MyVcom is they have an instant chat message icon available. So you can go on while you're logged into the system. I can actually see which one of the technical support team members are actually on, and I can instantly send them a chat message and they respond instantly back to me. With the MyVcom system, I'm able to get out in the field more. Sometimes I would have to stay in the office, make sure some of the calls are being made and make sure the applicants are being screened properly. Well, with the MyVcom system, I can go back and check to make sure that my team have been making those calls as need to be made, make sure that information is being entered into the system. And that frees me up to get out in the field and make calls and pick up business cards to try to increase our business. One of the great things about the MyVcom system is, for instance, if I'm talking to a customer and they're looking for a particular candidate with particular skill sets, I'm able to download that information, send them their certifications, their identification, anything that they're asking for, I can send it to them immediately.
It saves time. I mean, we're making hundreds of calls a day, so if I can go in and find that information really quickly, it definitely is a time saver.
MyVcom definitely lets you personalize specific contacts, especially if you're trying to keep up with clients, what their agendas are as far as like what kind of people they're trying to recruit, all the way to like the culture of them, and all the information on MyVcom is easily accessible.
So it makes it a lot more convenient, and it saves a lot more time and saves more paper and it saves me time.
One of the great things I like about MyVcom, it allows my employees to work virtually anywhere. When they're home, they're able to log into the system, they're able to answer the phone calls, they're able to make notes into the system. All of that is powered by MyVcom. The MyVcom system is like a one-stop shop. Everything that you need is in this one particular place. So no business is too large or no business is too small for the MyVcom system.